South African Department of Defense is committed towards working together in fighting HIV/AIDS, combating discrimination throughout the organization, caring for those who are infected and affected, and supporting our members and their dependents. In unity, we have victory. Masibambisane, the South African Department of Defense, united in the fight against HIV/AIDS.